good morning everyone, or good day whenever you're watching this. It's morning here. We are in Gimli. We made it here with the Camaro. I'm not sure where Anthony is, or Clint, or father-in-law. Oh, they're probably out there checking out other guys' rides. But yeah, we don't really know what the car's gonna do. He passed tech. We're good to go here. He's got slicks on this car for the first time. Ladder, or the traction bars at the bottom, we got them coming at a bit of an upward angle, so we should have some anti-squat. But yeah, we're gonna see as soon as they fire up the lanes here. We'll make our first pass and see how it actually runs. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, we don't know shift RPM. We don't know anything. This is gonna be shakedown as shakedown can get. So let's see. Let's check it out. 1160s on the first pass.
I left it in drive.
Nice. 1164?
Yeah, 150.
Nice.
Good job.
So, did you feel it?
Feel what?
Your wheelie.
No.
I'll show you the footage. This tire definitely came off the ground at least this high.
Yeah.
It was awesome. What did you do in the 8th?
738.
738.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, so he made his pass. It went 1164 to the quarter and like 730 something to the 8th mile. So that's really good for first pass down. Problem is we didn't get, everything happened so fast. I didn't get the end cap footage. He had it in drive. He didn't have it in first gear, manually shifting it, so it was shifting early. And we didn't get a chance to start the data logger. So otherwise it was a good pass. So we're gonna do it again. We're just gonna get end cap footage. Them throwing those levers, man, those are sweet. I don't even know what they're called in this car. This is turbo 400 transmission, but he's got these awesome levers you can yank. So we'll see if that camera's gonna catch it. But yeah, it'd be nice to get some end cap footage of that and then get a data log so we can actually see what RPM he's running and the air-fuel ratio, etc. So let's see what it does in the next pass. So?
60 was worse.
Oh, was it? It looked like it was maybe a little worse off the line, but
164 to a 162.
Okay, so a tiny bit.
Mile an hour in the 8th is up almost 3.
Oh yeah, there I see
2
it.
mile an hour there almost.
It's okay, so well, yeah, 152 at almost 117 mile an hour on that one. So it definitely picked up more power with more RPM. It sounded like you hit the rev limiter once. We'll check out that log and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so Henry's been shooting for an 8, like an 8.9 out of this car. But he's also been fighting wheelie issues. So he had to let off. You can see it had so much bite there, just started to pick up right away, so he let off, let it come down and then rolled out. And still went at 960. Alright guys, so Sean here, he's looking for a 9 something. 999 or better. Nicely done, man. Congratulations. There it is. Yeah, it looked like it sounded like it bogged a little bit, or not bogged, but hesitated, so to speak, like it wasn't quite as smooth off the line. So that was also right off idle again, right? That was right off idle again. So we should maybe try like a 1500, like if you, brake stall up a little bit and try to like really ramp into it like that and see what it does.
Can attempt to adjust the front shocks.
That's true. Let's actually look at some of that footage and see how fast or slow it's coming up. Let's check it out. So that was awesome. Oh, you got the yellow slip. That means you lost.
Other side.
All right, what'd you do? So 160, 160s. That's the best 60 now, right?
Same as first pass.
Same as first pass. 729 to the 8th mile, 95 mile an hour, almost 96. And then 1139, 119 mile an hour in the quarter. That's awesome. I would say that's a successful day. Why are you looking at me like that? We're done now? All right. You heard it. We're done now. Car made a good pass, 1130s. I think we're going to call that a successful test and tune. Yeah, let's go. All right, guys. So Henry Hebert's really trying to knock the doors down on the 8-second pass here. 8-9 something would be awesome. Definitely a good call to let off, Henry. You don't need that bumper getting ruined or something worse.